Okay, today I'm gonna make a recipe I've made several times. It's one of my go-to recipes. I don't make it that often, but I made it, 20 times or so in my life. It's really good. It's really easy, and just I'm gonna show you how I make it. So it's like sesame, garlic, ginger chicken, and you bake it in the oven, and you bake it in the marinade. And the marinade tastes really great, and you just spoon the marinade over rice, and chicken comes out crispy. It ends up kind of being like similar to, what is it, uh, shake and bake. Yeah, there it is, shake and bake, but with more of a just shake and bake on top, and a more flavorful like sauce on the in to cook the chicken with. So it needs quite a bit of soy sauce, and then I just eyeball it, and I'll taste it. Usually I use brown rice vinegar, but I'm out. So today I'm going to use apple cider vinegar. They have kind of a similar taste. I think the brown rice vinegar tastes better. Actually, yeah. I think grain vinegar tastes better than cider vinegar in most cases, but this is what I have today. And then some sesame oil. And got microplaned quite a bit of ginger, like a good thumb-sized piece. With the skin on. I find that it doesn't really matter. And then a similar amount of garlic. This is like, well, actually quite a bit more garlic. It's like 6 or 7 cloves of garlic, 6 or 7 good sized cloves. So it's got all the salt and flavoring in it right now. Don't need to add any more. And then it needs some brown sugar to taste. It doesn't need to be very sweet, but it does need to be have a sweetness to it. So I guess that's probably a quarter of a cup. Just a little bit more. I'll whisk it together and give it a taste. I also have a Shaoxing cooking wine. I might use some. I don't always use it, but it goes in marinades. A little bit more sugar. So it's another quarter of a cup, maybe. Yeah. Put some of this in. Doesn't need much. That's better. Adds a sweetness and a nice twang because of the vinegar. The ginger and the garlic really come out, especially after it's cooked. So I'm just going to pour that sauce in with, we've got 4 quarter pieces of chicken. Quite a bit of the sugar. I might have needed just to whisk more of the sugar in together. So maybe not quite that much. Like I said, I don't measure. The air out because it helps make sure that the chicken gets coated. There's no big air bubbles. And then with vinegars that have a lot of marinade, you don't want to leave overnight in general because it will gray with a lot of vinegar or acid, it will gray the skin. But this does benefit from a longer marinade, so 2 to 3 hours, or maybe even half a day. You know, you can, it's going to, the flavor penetrating the meat, which is one of the things that I like about this recipe, is more important to me. But, you know, some people are concerned about how attractive it is. The sauce will also help darken it, so it won't be that obvious, and it gets cooked in the marinade, so there isn't a lot of waste. 2 or 3 hours, comes out, and then top it with breadcrumbs, put it in a pan at 350 for an hour, and that's it. Serve with rice and some vegetables, a salad maybe. It's really good. So the chicken's out and into the pan and out of the marinade and ready to go in the oven, but it needs the panko, the breadcrumb topping. I'm using panko breadcrumbs with coconut because I just happen to have them. So I'm going to add just a little oil to the breadcrumbs. It'll help them brown. Kind of incorporate that. Take a piece of chicken with the skin side up. So we're only going to coat the skin side. Just roll top. Breadcrumbs. We pat a few more on. And that's it. The same for every piece of chicken. Yeah. There you go. Ready to go in the oven. Here's what it looks like finished. Pretty good, crispy. All the juices, great over rice. I'm gonna eat.